Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we'll share with you the referral job opportunities as well, so you can apply. See, if you will apply via referral, so the chances of getting an interview calls would increase by 40 to 60%. So there are maximum chances, and many times the job opportunities are not posted online, they're not posted on the job platforms. But if you have a referral, or if you have a friend or someone who knows, who is already working in the company and you know them, so they will get you that particular job. So that's called as a hidden job market. So try to apply via the referrals. Even if all of these job opportunities are there, what you can do is search this company name on the LinkedIn, connect with the people over there who are working already, try to get a referral from them. So that would help you a lot. So first job opportunity is from the Channel Fusion company. So they are hiring, and they are hiring for QA interns, quality analyst. So QA interns with someone who has completed 6 months of QA training, and for quality analyst, 2 to 3 years of experience in quality assurance has been done. Experience in manual testing, automation experience is a plus. So if you are willing to get a job as an intern or as an experienced person, then you can share your resume at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for a QA lead at Fable FinTech company. So they are looking for the QA lead to join the company from the location Mumbai, and it's a work from office role. Experience required is 5 to 6 years or more, and they are looking for immediate joiners only. So they are looking for someone who can prove experience handling QA activities as a lead, who already has worked as a lead. Okay, here senior QA to QA lead kind of transition will not happen. So they need proper QA lead only. So good communication skills, hands-on exposure to automation, experience with AI-driven testing would be a plus point. So you can share your resume at this email address. Then Dassault System Solutions Lab is hiring for QA automation. Experience required is 4 to 5 years. Location is India, and it's Pune-based location. So you can share your resume to this email address. This is the referral email address. This is not the recruiters or the HRs or the hiring managers email address. This is a referral email address. Then there's a requirement for a junior QA executive quality analyst, and the experience required is 1 to 2 years. Notice period is immediate joiners only. Job location is Navi Mumbai, and this is the link. So what I'll do is I'll put all the links and the email addresses in the first comment of the video. You can like that particular comment so that it stays on the top, and share this link with the maximum people out there in your network or in your reference, those who are looking for the job opportunities. Then Perficient India is hiring for Salesforce QA, and they are hiring for the location of Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Nagpur. And the job type is full time, and experience required is 5 plus years. Notice period is immediate joiners to 10 days. And these are the mandatory skills. So someone who knows Salesforce QA testing would be great. And you can share your profiles to this email address. Then you can join EPAM systems for the automated testing role in Java, QA automation as that role, and experience required is 6 to 15 years, senior lead engineer. And the skill set for senior engineers is Selenium, Java, API testing, Java 8, CI/CD, REST assured. Skills required for leads is Selenium, Java, again, framework development from the scratch, test plan, test strategy. So all the skill set is required. So this is a requirement for the EPAM company, and they are hiring for the date of 17th of Jan. That is upcoming Saturday, upcoming weekend. So you can apply over there. 0 to 90 days of notice period is allowed, and the location is Bangalore. And you can send your updated CV to this email address. Then testing experts is hiring for a senior functional tester and payment domain. The experience required is 5 to 8 years. Location is Hyderabad. Shift is 2 to 11 p.m. Interview mode would be in person. So if you are interested, you can share your CV on this particular email address. So they are looking for the local Hyderabad candidates. So 5 plus years of experience in software testing, 2 plus years of experience on handling ISO 8583 messages, all those things are required. Then UST is hiring for a lead software testing, and skill set required is Selenium, Java, API, REST assured. Experience required is 4 to 12 years. Notice period is immediate to 30 days. Location is Pune, Kochi, Trivandrum. So if you're interested, you can send your updated resume with the subject this to this particular email address. Along with that, you have to share total experience, relevant experience, notice period, current CTC, expected CTC, current location, preferred location. All of these things are required. Then chapter 247 Infotech is hiring. So they are hiring for the QA, and there are various opportunities. So I'll share those opportunities with you as well. And this is the email address. There's a careers page link. Again, we'll put this link in the first comment of the video, and the location is Indore. It's a work from office role. Platinum HR Solutions is also hiring for QA automation engineer, and this is Dubai based role. So salary is 20,000 to 25,000 per month, and you can apply at this particular email address itself, right? Then there is a requirement for QA engineer, and the experience required is 2+ years. Location is Noida, sector 63. So they are looking for someone who has got experience in Playwright, Selenium, and UFT for automated testing, proficient in database testing, API testing using tools like Swagger and manual testing methodologies, minimum 24 to 48 months of relevant experience in the field of software testing. And there's a subject line you can apply with experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, current location. So you can share your resume to this email address. Okay. Then one more job opportunity with respect to the QA testing banking domain, and the experience required is 4 to 10 years, and the budget is 10K to 18K. And if you're interested, you can share your updated CV along with the details below at this particular email address. And these are the details that you have to add: total experience, relevant banking domain experience, QA experience, current CTC, expected CTC, you have any offers or you hold them in the pipeline, notice period, current location, preferred location, and current and last company. So all of these details are required. Now, let me share with you the jobs with respect to the company that we discussed earlier, chapters 224/7. Okay. So this is the job opportunity with respect to this is with respect to Dassault Systems that is hiring in Pune. Okay, so this is for them, and QA automation developer is a requirement. Then this is for chapters 24 247 Infotech. So they are hiring for lead senior data engineer, lead MERN data engineer trainee, then a technical recruiter, senior software engineer, bench sales recruiter, and senior QA, 4 to 7 years of experience. You can apply by sending your resume to this particular email address itself. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.